Anyway, guys, firstly, it was Nay, now it is Mangwabe. People are calling out to Musa Mseleku to treat his wives and children equal. They're saying what he's doing right now, he's exposing himself, and now people know what a kind of a husband he is to Mangwabe. Let's get to the story of today. You know, the rest of the house is so many peace and Vasala. Welcome to True Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, say happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, it feels like Musa Mseleku enjoys to be get dragged on social media. Maybe it's part of his marketing, you never know. So Musa Mseleku posted this picture on his Instagram account with a caption: "We need to say thank you to Ndlonkulu Maqele, Ndlonkulu Mayeni, Ndlonkulu Makumale, and Mangwabe." And people were like, wait a minute, Musa Mseleku, you made a mistake. You made a mistake. Shem Mangwabe. And people went on to say, oh, Mangwabe, she's not in Ndlonkulu. So people are not happy. Musa Mseleku did not say Ndlonkulu Mangwabe. They are saying that it seems like now you're treating Mangwabe the same way you're treating Sneh. What is going on? Is Mangwabe still in the picture, or maybe she has left the relationship? What's going on? Why are you not appreciating it the same way you're appreciating the other wives? I mean, they are all important, right? So people have been calling out to Musa Mseleku so many times, especially when it comes to Sneh. He doesn't even listen to anyone. He will continue to do whatever he likes. Maybe he enjoys. He knows that if he does this, people will talk. Maybe it's a part of way of advertising. As in is the same and the same, guys. It's been 6 months and we're still talking about these people. They know that they are the decision of South Africa, guys. Without them, I mean, we all know that these are the best reality show. Musa Mseleku is producing the best reality. Let's not lie, guys. Anyway, guys, do you think that Musa Mseleku made a mistake, or maybe he wanted people to talk? Because one thing about people, guys, they will always talk. People will talk. They will talk. Whether you do right or wrong, guys, they will always talk. Anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think, guys? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, say happy Saturday.